To create a smart part using Excel, we will need to create Excel file first and define our parameters. First column will be parameter name, then followed by the measurement and the unit of this measurement. Save the file, we go to Inventor and we start creating a new part. We will link our Excel file and our creating part and import all the parameters from the Excel file. Thus, by creating every feature, we will use those parameters to define the features. While creating an angle for our tooth, we're also defining the profile. In this case, this is a tooth that will be just mirrored by the center line. Next up, we will add some fillets to the corners and a chamfer at the end of the tooth. Then we will pattern this tooth around the y-axis by the tooth number defined in our Excel file. Now we just simply need to change the Excel dimensions and update our Inventor part. Thank you for watching.